And today I'm going to show you how to use Unity. So first what you want to do is download Unity Hub and make your license active. And if you're on a Mac like I am, you're going to press add and you want to press, well, the one I'm using is this one. So you're going to press Unity 2019.4.28 F1 LTS. It doesn't allow me to click it because I already have it. Now, if you just click that, it won't work. It won't work because when you click next and then you press done, it won't work. You have to press Mac build support. If you're on Windows, Windows build support, and you get the idea. Okay, now that you have that, when you go to project and you press new, you want to name your project. For me, it's test with viewers. Sure, why not? As soon as I find out how to spell viewers. Now where do I want to put it? I don't mind putting it in documents, so I'm gonna do that. These are all the tests. Test unit project. Done. Now we're gonna create it. Now what's gonna happen is as we created it, you're gonna click on this. You might see this, but it's just a warning, a useless warning. Project's already open. Now you just wait and wait and wait. So don't worry about this. Okay, you know what? You can move things. This is the up arrow. This is the right arrow. This is the back arrow. For the main camera, it depends where it is. So you can really show it. So now what you want to do is today I'm just going to teach you the basics. I'm just going to make shapes and make a shape fall on another shape with a with the shape having physics. So you want to go up, press game object, click on 3D object and press cube. What you want to do is make a floor. So go to scale and write, let's make this 8. No, 18. Yeah, that's better. Let's make this 9. No, 1. 1 is fine. No, actually, 0.5. What you're gonna do to this is make it 9. Oof, that's a lot. There we go. 15 is okay. Now we just want to move it back. And the main camera is gonna happen when you play it. Now, when you play the game, it basically counts as when what the main camera can see, you'll see. For example, I see that right now, you see. Now when I play it, it's gonna show exactly what that is showing, which is apparently not good for this one. So we're gonna make sure that this can see it. Make it back. How do you make it back again? There we go. Now we want to make this more up to make sure that we can see it. Also, if you guys are not sure about this, then you can just right click. But as I have a Mac, there's no right click, so you have to connect it with the mouse. Let me just get my mouse here. Yep. So what you want to do is when you have connected your mouse, like I clearly have, you want to make sure that you can view it as well. So what you want to do is right click and move forward and you'll see this eye shape. So you go forward and your mouse is the aim, basically like a gun aim, but you want to make sure that you can see the camera as well. So what the camera sees, you see. That's okay for now. What we want to do is add another object. Game object, 3D, and cube. So now that you have done that, click that and you should see a shadow. Again, this is the basics, not for you professionals who want to learn more. I'm a professional, of course. I've been having 3 years of Unity, which has been quite good. Now what we do is when we play it, you will see that there's no physics on anything. Like in real life, nothing floats in air, there's gravity. But on this, it's going to float in the air. Why? Because it's a simulation. Now there's a way to add physics to this. I'm going to show you right now. So you press add component. If you don't know where that was, it was here. And then you want to write rigid body. And then you'll see this component called rigid body. You click on it, and you'll have a new component. Then what you want to do is, yeah, that's it. Now you want to play it. It's gonna fall. Because what I did is I added so much physics to this object. So it'll be basically, oh wait, sorry guys, I did a mistake. Basic teacher mistake. I added it to the main camera. I have to add it. Let's rename this to make it less complicated. Floor. And let's rename that. No. Cut. And let's rename that to cube. Now there's coding for Unity, but we're gonna do that later in the next video. This is just for objects. So this is a cube. What we're gonna do is the rigid body on the floor. We added rigid body to the main camera, which is a normal teacher's mistake, but we're not supposed to do that. We're supposed to add rigid body to the cube. Now that you have rigid body, the cube will fall. And besides, the floor was not falling, the cube was not falling, the camera was falling. Now as you see, it falls. But I'm pretty sure you can't see clearly. So what we're gonna do is make it more clear. To do that, you must right click here, press create and material. Now that you have created a material, you're gonna change the color of this to be, let's go with red for today. Now, since we have the color red, what we're gonna do is bring the red to the object. Yeah. Sorry about that, just a minute. Apparently I need to do this. Here we go. Allow it. Later. Okay, that's fine for now. Where were we? Okay. Anyways, what you want to do is, as I said, change the color to red. Now, as we've done that, we're going to put it to the cube. Now it is more clear to see. Please don't talk. I'm recording. So as we are, it falls and you can see it clearly. Now what we're gonna do in this today's video is gonna make a tower, basically. That's all. With this shape. I'm not gonna add any more shapes. I'm gonna create a tower. Let's put this Y to like 9. Make the Z to around 3 or 5. Yeah, that's better. But then we want the X to be the same as the Z. Sorry, half of the Z. So that is pretty even. Now what you want to do is lift it in the air. Woof. Now what's gonna happen is it falls. I think you learned the basics of the video. This is from an